Today in this video we are going to see all about the common table expression as CTE. What is CTE and why it is used and is it important? Everything we are going to cover all about the CTE common table expression. In the previous video we have shown all about the case expression syntax. So in this video we are going to see all about the common table expression. So if you not yet right now about the case syntax, so you can go and check out our video. Okay, so let's talk about the common table expression. Okay, so basically a common table expression, or it is known as an CTE, it is an temporary named result set create for a simple select statement that can be used in a subsequent select statement. So basically we can define CTEs by adding a with clause directly before select, insert or update, delete or merge statement. With clause can included one or more CTEs separated by commas. Okay, so this was all about this statement using which we have understood that what is meant by the CTE. Okay, so let's move through the syntax. Okay, so yeah, our syntax looks like this. Okay, with my CTE as select, here are the columns as ABC, from here table name, and select AC, here is an column from my city, from my CTE. Okay, so this was all about the syntax, and let's move to the hands-on experience. Okay, so basically this is my table. Here you can see on the screen, here are the 4 person. Okay, so now I want to use the CTE statement. Okay, so our CTE statement look like this, and just here you can see that with number students as select row number over order by student ID as row number, and here are the columns as student name and the course ID from student table where course ID which is not equal to 0. Okay, and select all from number students and select it and run it, and here you can see that there are the 3 persons whose names are like Vaibhav, Aman and Sneha, whose course ID are like 101, 102 and 103. Okay, so the 3 values are not equal to 0 that the data has shown on the screen, and here we have put out it as a syntax as where the course ID which is not equal to null. Okay, so according to that it has given an output to us about the 3 people who have whose course ID which is not equal to null. Okay, so this was all about the CTE. Okay, so if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.